when you're going through clips to put in your feature, a really great way to organize your clips is to, if you find one that you like, let's say you do this, and you're kind of getting your shot. Now you have it, so you get a good shot where what you like. Raise that up, okay, and then let's say I find another. Let's see, I'm going to make that into a sequence or something, okay? Whatever. Now I raise these up, but now let's say I have a whole bunch of these. I select them. I'll cut it. I'll go over here. I'll do ripple paste. And if you go a little bit further, you can go like that. Now what you've done is you grouped those sections together without having to like go through the monotonous moving every track over and every. So it's basically you're putting everything that you want up, and then you're moving them together later. So just a more efficient way of doing that.